If you've ever wanted to merge layers in Figma but weren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to merge two shapes into one layer in Figma using the Flatten option. This is really useful when you want to clean up your layers panel, prepare shapes for export, or combine objects into a single editable vector. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma design file and create a polygon shape on the canvas. We need something to work with, so this gives us a perfect starting point. You can use the shape tools and choose polygon, then place it anywhere on your canvas. Once you have your first polygon ready, click on it and press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac to duplicate it. Now you should have two perfectly stacked polygons sitting on top of each other. Since they're exactly aligned, the next step is to rotate one of them so we can create a combined shape. Select one of the polygons, then look over to the right-hand panel and find the rotate icon. Click it, then type in 180 degrees and press enter. This flips the shape upside down. At this point, you'll be able to see a hexagram shape formed by the two polygons. This is the kind of result we want before merging layers, because now both objects overlap in a way that makes flattening useful. If your shapes don't look aligned, just make sure both polygons are still stacked properly before moving to the next step. Now let's merge both layers together. Click one shape, then hold Shift and click the other shape so both objects are selected. You can also click and drag your cursor around both shapes to select them at the same time. Once both shapes are selected, right-click on them to open the context menu. From there, choose Flatten. Figma will now combine those selected layers into a single flattened vector layer. That means instead of two separate polygon layers, you now have one merged object. This is exactly what you want when you need to simplify your design or create one unified shape from multiple elements. And that's it, you've successfully merged layers in Figma. It's a quick process once you know where the Flatten option is, and it can save you a lot of time when organizing your design files. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Figma tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.